cooking show. And today we're making breakfast, so we started making the breakfast patties. We're gonna make some Eggo pancakes and 1 egg. So while these are cooking, we're just gonna flip it and see how they're holding up. And make sure you don't have a fire at home, kids.
Ask your mom and dad, kids.
Yep, make sure you ask your mom and dad to cook.
She can do it because she's a teenager, because she's 14.
So those are going to cook for a little while, and we're going to start setting up the pancakes, but we can't cook them yet.
And we have to do the video quickly for this to turn off, guys.
So we're going to take the pancakes,
We're going to cook them.
put it on the plate,
Now we're going to put it close.
and then we're going to just put them on here. What are you doing?
I put it close.
Why are you putting it up there?
So they can see it.
I'm not putting it in yet.
Oh.
I'm waiting until this is finished. And we're just going to press them down. Don't want to get too close. And once all of the water evaporates, we're going to flip them over again. And now we just have to wait. This is the egg. And I'm not going to scramble them, so I'm just going to crack it in the pan when I'm ready.
When we wait, you want me to pause it?
No, it's okay. I don't want it to start over again.
Because it's taking up a lot of room. That's why I started over.
Alright, so it looks like all the water has disappeared. Come close. And we're going to flip it one more time and see how it looks. It's looking good. And we're going to put it really low. Okay, now we're going to turn it off because it looks good. And now we're going to cook our pancakes. So we're going to put them in here for 40 seconds. And now we're going to get, I don't want to waste another plate, so we're just going to get a napkin and put these on the napkin.
Mm-hmm. Kids, do not try this at home.
Like we said before, we already said that.
Mm-hmm.
And now we're going to start the egg once this is done. And then we'll all be set and ready to go.
The pause the video.
And we'll end the video when it's done. 7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Now you're cracking the egg on the top.
Now I'm cracking it here. Alright. Now we're going to, since this is already heated, we're going to crack it.
You have to do it a little bit hard, guys.
Uh-oh, the yolk